SRCC Children's Hospital, managed by Narayana Health, is exclusively for children. Our Family First program recognizes that children are fearful of hospital visits and procedures, which may sometimes leave long term mental trauma. It is our endeavor to try and minimize this and allay parental anxiety as well. When a child comes for a radiology procedure, clear cut instructions are given and the process is explained in simple language for the child to understand. While they are waiting for the procedure, they are allowed to wait at our SRCC Kids Club, which has lots of books and toys, or our amazing play area. Here they can wait without building up tension. The procedure rooms have a child-friendly and cheerful ambience to make the children relax. We have a special tunnel in which the children are trained or made to practice so that they do not feel claustrophobic during the MRI or CT scan process. This is done by a highly trained staff who are used to handling children. This in fact has prevented many a times for us the need to give sedation or anesthesia. Distraction techniques are used while they are being scanned. At the end of the procedure, the children are rewarded with a cute and lovely sticker, leaving them with a happy memory of their visit.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Hiren Panwala. I am very glad that I got opportunity to talk with you guys regarding pediatric radiology subspecialty.
First of all, I want to talk about the image gently concept. So the image gently concept states that you want to use a radiation which is coming out from the X-ray or CT scan as low as possible, and whenever indicated you can use ultrasonography or MRI which are radiation free in comparison to CT and X-ray. That's the certificate, and we are pledging that we should image gently in pediatric population. We have got a very higher end ultrasound machine with advanced probes, so that we are able to do all the complex studies and procedures very nicely and very easily. That is our waiting area. One can see here that it is equipped with oxygen supply as well as this kind of monitoring devices. So after sedation, when the child is coming out from the MRI or CT, we are monitoring the children in this area under observation of nursing staff, and this is our MRI area, which one can see that it is also has been decorated nicely in keeping in mind the child environment, and the ambience is very friendly. When the child enters this room, they feel comfortable. This is the outside console. This is the CT MRI console area, and this is the 110/20 slide CT machine, which is having really advanced imaging softwares, so that we are able to do all complex imaging stuff like pediatric CT cardiac imaging also. Now I want to highlight the difference between the pediatric radiology and the adult radiology. So the disease conditions or the abnormality which occurs in pediatric population, that is totally different from the adult population, and one has to be specially trained in pediatric radiology field to detect those abnormality, as well as to tell that what are the things which are normal and what are the things which are abnormal. So we have in our department special maneuvers, as well as the sono technologies is quite trained to tackle the small children to make them comfortable, and we have got all the modalities, be it for the ultrasound or be it DSA machine which we are using in intervention radiology related stuff. We also have this kind of higher end CT and MRI machine. If the child needs help from other department also, that the child can get easily from the other areas. If your child is having any concern or child needs any treatment, you can reach out to us, and this is our contact numbers. Thank you for listening it.